Sky hydrants are capable of providing safe drinking water for many years, as long as they're properly looked after. With the aid of this model, I'm going to show you some features of what a good sky hydrant building should look like. The building itself can be various sorts of construction. It could be brick, concrete blocks, or it could be a timber frame with a sheet material covering. The building itself is a solid building. This is a 1/3 scale model, so a typical building would be about 3 meters tall with a water tank on the roof. Normally to be a solid sided tank, but for the purposes of this demonstration we're using a clear perspex tank. You can see the various components here. First of all, there's the inlet with the inlet float valve. Here's the vent and overflow on this side. Here at the side is the drain that drains the bottom of the tank. And here at the back, a little way off the bottom, is the inlet to the sky hydrant.
This photograph shows you why we don't take water from the bottom of the head tank. Basically, when dirty water gets into a tank, it does start to settle. The heavier materials, the soil, sand and clay, tend to sink to the bottom. Things that float like wood, bark, oil, petrol tend to float at the top. Both these things are things that we don't really want to go through the sky hydrant. So we want to take the best quality water. Because the level in the tank might fluctuate up and down, we don't take it right from the middle, we take it from about 1/3 of the way from the bottom.
From the outlet at the bottom of the tank, we have a line leading down to a valve which the operator can just open for a minute every day, and that will drain the dirty water out of the bottom of the tank. This shot shows the typical bracing that would actually be installed on a full-sized installation. The whole building can be locked up. In warm climates, it can be locked with a gate, but in cold climates where the temperature may drop below zero, it's recommended that a solid door is provided. Here's a close-up of the inside of a building. You'll see it's painted white inside. This gives a clean and hygienic appearance and also makes the whole thing brighter and easier for the operator to see what he's doing. Above the sky hydrant you will see a shelf with chemical containers for the chlorine and citric acid which are used in the weekly cleaning sequence. You will also see on hooks an operator's manual and an operator's check sheet which should be filled out daily.
These photographs show some of the recent installations for sky hydrants in Bhutan.